Your environment includes an on-premises Active Directory forest, contoso.com, which is synchronized with an Azure AD tenant. You manage an Azure Virtual Desktop personal host pool named Pool 1, consisting of 3 Windows 10 Enterprise virtual machines joined specifically to the on-premises contoso.com domain. You intend to utilize Microsoft Endpoint Manager to enforce and manage security updates on these session hosts. Which action should you perform? Option A, provision images using Windows 10 Enterprise multi-session.
Option B, set up the session hosts to perform a hybrid Azure AD join. Option C, modify the host pool architecture to be a pooled collection. Option D, switch the host pool load balancing configuration to depth first. This scenario focuses on the requirements for managing virtual machines via Microsoft Endpoint Manager. We need to bridge the gap between an on-premises domain-joined machine and the cloud-based management platform to ensure that security policies can be successfully pushed to these specific host machines. In my view, the correct answer is option B, which is to set up the session hosts to perform a hybrid Azure AD join. To manage virtual machines using Microsoft Endpoint Manager, or Intune, those devices must be registered within your Azure AD tenant. Since the current session hosts are joined only to the on-premises Active Directory domain, they are not registered as devices in Azure AD. Configuring the hybrid join allows these on-premises objects to sync and register in Azure, which is essential.
The other options are incorrect because they do not address the device registration requirement. Windows 10 Enterprise multi-session is not required for a personal host pool, and adjustments to host pool architecture or load balancing configurations do not resolve the lack of Azure AD device identity. When dealing with cloud management for on-premises joined devices, always look for the identity configuration that creates that necessary trust relationship between the local domain and Azure Active Directory.